Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty is going to be behaving tomorrow and what are the key levels that we need to look out for, and also for Nifty. So let us go ahead and understand and see what was the most important range for the day. The most important range for the day was this 200 points, and Bank Nifty actually was in a complete sideways. Now our beloved PM is going to give a speech at 5 o'clock. And if that turns out to be positive, I think that we might have a breakout on an upside. So if tomorrow, if we somehow gap up, let's say if we gap up somewhere around, let's say 35,800, then I want you to wait for the first 15-minute price action and then initiate your trades. But if we open sideways tomorrow and take out the level of 35,556, then it is going to go to 35,800 and even 36,000. But somehow if we open gap down over here below this particular level, wait for the price to actually come down till 35,187, because over here there is going to be an awesome buy opportunity. Until and unless 35,000 as a round number is breached, we are on an upside itself. Now of course market can remain sideways for as much as it can, but somehow it also gave us an opportunity today at exactly 12:45. We had taken a position and we had been able to capture the move fabulously today. So that has been a victory for us over here in Bank Nifty. So for you, these levels are tomorrow. Please be very careful. The other most important thing is I wanted to go ahead and notify you, like I told you, that if we go ahead and cross 35,733, then we are going to go up. So over here on an intraday basis, I think we have achieved the target pretty decently. So tomorrow it will be same and applicable. So if 35,771 is being broken, it'll then go ahead and move to 35,800. Sorry, my apologies. If it is going to break 15,771, then it is going to go ahead and reach 15,800. And if somehow it opens below this particular level, then there is highly likely a possibility this particular trend line that is coming from the top, it will come there to take a support. But with this trend line, it is also having another trend line support that it has made over here today. So there is going to be a very good ascending breakout that it can actually be a factor to. So remember, there are supports for the index. Please do not go short until and unless there is an alarming situation. And even if, let's say, the second wave came to us, we only lost somewhere around 5-6%, but we then from that bottom have recovered somewhere around 20% to the top. So remember, this is a bull run, and do not short on supports. Think of a buying opportunity on the supports and try to sell the opportunity on resistances. So over here, the targets are on the upside. If Nifty opens above 15,800, then what I want you to do is I want you to wait for the price action and then see what is important. So these are my key levels for tomorrow. And if you want to join our live trading forum, please do visit www.rltrgroup.com. Today, there won't be any screenshots of profit that is going to be posted because we have massive overnight positions that we have planned for tomorrow. So once they book tomorrow, I'll be more than happy to share it on the Telegram channel. So please join that too over here. It is linked at the bottom. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day. Love you all. We'll see you on our next video. Take care. Jai Hind. Bye-bye.